importante sa akin na dun sa pupuntahan ko. Baka isipin niyo ko na yung connection ng pagtakbo ko sa Taguig at sa Pateros sa Showbiz Press. I think para sa akin, there's so much we want to do for the industry. Ngayon na director, hindi lang ako director, but ilang taon na rin ako nagpo-produce. Parang mas malalim na rin yung pagkaintindi ko sa industriya. And I think working closely with sina Ms. Rosel sa Producers Guild, handling our own productions, seeing that there's so much that we can do pa. And in the last few years, getting more involved sa pagpapalabas ng mga pelikula at mga series ng Pilipino sa ibang bansa. Parang nakikita ko that there's still so much that we can do together. And yun lang po, bagamat ang tumatakbo ko para maging kinatawan ng Taguig at Pateros, I just wanted all of you to know here that ako yung magiging kinatawan nyo rin because hindi ko matatanggal sa akin yung puso ng isang taong mula sa production, yung puso ng isang taong nagmamahal sa industriya. And I also believe that the jobs, the revenue, the inspiration that our movies, our series, the entertainment sector brings will benefit the people of Taguig and Pateros, Metro Manila at yung buong Pilipinas. So yun lang po, I don't want you to feel disassociated with my run. Gusto ko po sana, kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay Ms. Rosel, kay Sir Keith, that we are in this together and there are a lot of people who are running who wants to fight for our industry, and I hope we also support them. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk.